For this new version, the BOSpulse database has been extended with new categories. So opening the database through Tools, Database, we'll find these new categories such as the allowable limits, assemblies, nodes, elements, and pipe schedules. So the nodes and elements allow you to add element or node components to the database. For instance, if you're using a standard compressor or pump, which you will encounter during multiple projects, you can save the definition and its parameters in the database and make use of this component throughout multiple projects. The pipe schedules, so for the ANSI steel pipe, the nominal pipe sizes, they were already included in BOSpulse in an implicit sense, but now they are also shown over here explicitly with all the size IDs, the true outer diameter and thickness, and these have been extended with also the ISO nominal pipe sizes, so the DN sizes, but also allow you for custom pipe sizes. So for instance, I've added this GRE pipe series where I defined my own pressure class for 16 bars and 12.5 bars. It has a size ID, so the DN 250 millimeters will translate into an actual outer diameter of 256 millimeters with a thickness of 3. Using this in a model, you'll find this additional field, pipe schedule, which you can now also change to, for instance, the ANSI, and let's say it's a 10-inch, and we'll have that translated to the actual outer diameter and thickness for an ANSI nominal pipe size of 10 with a standard schedule. But for instance, if we have our custom, we can use the same. So this is a DN 250, and it will give you the actual outer diameter and thickness. Of course, also the fields viewer has been extended with these additional fields. So going to the fields viewer, we can use these additional pipe sizes, so the size ID or the pipe schedule, to see what are the pipe schedules and pipe sizes used in a system for a quick visual inspection of all your elements.